thanks for joining me today and welcome back. So today in this video I want to show you how I made this beautiful quick and easy candle wreath. This can be used as holiday home decor, or it can be used as a festive table centerpiece, which is what I'm going to be using it for. This came out absolutely beautiful. Guys, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you'll get all the rest of the information. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me, guys. If you want to see how I made this very quick and easy candle wreath, this is really a Christmas candle wreath, just keep watching. So right now I'm going to be using a lot of items from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using those white poinsettias, some silver glitter. Inside that container is some Mod Podge. I'll be using my pliers, and yes, I'm going to get started with this project. Oh yeah, I'm going to use this floral foam just to put the poinsettias in as they dry. So right now I'm just going to remove the poinsettias from their stems. I'm going to cut the stem about 4 inches long, 3.5 to 4 inches long. So I'm going to need that to insert into the floral foam after I apply some glitter to them. And I'm going to be removing that greenery that's on each one. I'm going to put it off to the side because I plan on using that. So here I'm just fluffing up the poinsettias just a little bit, just to give it a nice little even shape. And now I'm going to apply the Mod Podge around the edge of each leaf. After I finish doing that, I'm going to apply some silver glitter so it'll be beautifully edged out with the silver glitter. So right now it's time to do the same thing to the green leaves. I'm just going to take the Mod Podge, edge out a little bit with that container, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of silver glitter along the perimeter so that it could be beautiful and have a nice silvery edge. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge and I'm going to apply it to the green leaf. After that, I'm going to apply some crystal clear glitter on top so that it could have a nice frozen frosted look. So I'm going to apply the glue and then I'm going to sprinkle some crystal clear glitter on top. So now it's time to do the same thing to the pine cones. I'm going to apply a little bit of Mod Podge to the edge of the pine cone. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of silver glitter and I'm going to set it off to the side and I'm going to let them dry. So right here, guys, I have some faux willow that I picked up from Amazon. It's a willow branch. I picked up 5 of them, and right now I'm only going to use one. This faux willow is made of wire and it's covered in brown plastic so it can look like real willow. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to bend and shape it into a circle. That's going to be the ring, the base of our ring. So So I just want to give you a good look. It looks really natural, but it's not real, guys, it's faux. And the wire is very easy to shape. So right here, I'm just going to bend. I'm going to shape it into a circle. I'm going to take the loose wire and I'm going to fold it around the base so that it's tucked in nice and it doesn't poke me when I'm using it. So essentially what this is going to be the base of our floral ring. I'm just going to keep shaping those wires around. The wires are very easy to bend and fold under. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the rest of the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the silver balls. I think it's called Bouquets. They come in gold and silver. I'm going to be using silver for this project. I'm going to be using that red mirrored ornament. And yeah, so I'm going to take everything apart because I'm using everything in single pieces as much as I can. And I'm going to use about 4 of those mirrored balls. And they look like little mirrored disco balls. I'm going to be using 4 of those, and I'm just going to remove the gold wire that's on them, or the gold hanging string. I'm going to remove that. But right now, guys, I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue to the floral ring and to the poinsettia so that it can adhere to the ring. So right now I'm just going to apply everything to the floral ring. I'm going to space them evenly apart. And guys, I absolutely love how this is turning out. This is so gorgeous. So I'm going to take you to the final project, guys. Again, I absolutely love the way this came out. This is so gorgeous. So right now I'm using it as a holiday home decor, and later on I'll be using it as a centerpiece for my table. And guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if I don't see you before Christmas, guys, have a happy holiday. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.